Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how security teams can automatically detect, analyze, and respond to cyber attacks using AI without manual efforts. In real system, thousands of logs are generated every minute. Security analysts cannot manually read all of them, so attacks often go unnoticed or are detected too late after the cyber attacks done. Our solution automate the entire SOC workflow or threat detection workflow from raw logs to final response action. For example, someone are trying to get unauthorized access of your server, but there is a SOC analyst agent like Scordex, which will detect the incident immediately and take action and block that IP. So it will going to protect your whole server or system. This is the agent which will a layer of security and going to protect your application from cyber attacks. Now let's come on real picture. The Scordex is a product name which is developed by Team Squad. Our system works in 4 automated steps: log collection, incident triage, malware detection, automated action decision. Each step is handled by specialized AI agents. First, we collect the logs from client machine, and then the real picture is start from. So, our unique approach is basically after collecting the logs from client machine, we are going to check each and every logs by using the AI agent, which will going to see each and every log, and if any incident are there, if any cyber attack are there, it will going to analyze each thing and produce the incidents. If any incidents are happen, like correlated to multiple event to detect real security incident, multiple fail login like brute force, repeated SQL payload like SQL injection, attack type, confidence score, and attacker IP and suspicious artifact, it will going to give you this type of response on your dashboard. So let's go to the client website and take a moment. For example, this is your e-commerce website, which will protected by Scordex. Now, whenever the attacker come and going to upload this kind of script in the as a payload, or going to do a brute force in a login section. Now, what will done by Scordex? Let's see. Now, my Scordex are detecting the real-time incident. So this is the recent incident. Now let's move on to the incident part. So this is the suspicious login activity. Confidence score is 90%. This is a summary of that incident. This is the attacker IP, and this is the artifacts. Now, my system are detected the multiple login attempts by this IP, and the same IP are doing something recurrence attack, which will done by the uploading some payload into a server. So that is also detected by my incident agent. Now, my Yara rule agent are going to develop some Yara rule, some pattern-based rule, which will saved into a DB. Now, this rule are going to detect all of the threats related to this attack. In the future, if something like this attack are happen again, it will going to detect that and block that, and also block the same incident happen. So it will not going to happen. Now protect your system before happening some cyber attack. This is your dashboard provided by Scordex, which will showing you active threats. So there is no active threats in from last 3 hours. Critical incident. So one critical incidents are happen like brute force attack into the login section. It will going to down your website. Right now, for that it will also created the Yara rule. So here is the malware detection. Now 25 malware are detected. Now blockade attacks. 0 attack blockade today. For the today, it will blockade the 0 attack, because we didn't use it this website today, so that's why it's showing the 0. Otherwise, every attack are blocked by agent. It will show here. And this is the proper dashboard rules and incident response. And this is the production grade website, which will going to protect your server. Now, how it will integrate it with the client machine? We will going to provide you Node SDK or some SDKs which will client are going to install and integrate with their code. Now that SDK sends me a client logs, incident log, and incident log are analyzes by my incident agent brain model. All the things are developed in the microservices, so it will achieve faster response and scalable. This is the B2B business model, where we are going to sell our product to the B2B model and protect the largest organization to cyber attacks. Thank you so much.